Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam Munoz. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to save your own preset in Lightroom. And this is something that I wish I knew a long time ago when I first started editing in Lightroom. So I'm pretty sure, some people will find this valuable, especially if you're new to Lightroom. And why would you want to save your own preset? I mean, the biggest reason would be, creating your own style and then sticking to it, and then also maybe increasing the workflow by just hitting that preset and making minor tweaks instead of always having to go through everything in the picture and tweaking everything. Enough talking, let's go to the video. Alright, so you're here in Lightroom. Let's say you're editing a picture, right? Fresh, brand new picture. Let's bring up the exposure, and then you go down here to the tone curve. You make that famous S curve. Then you go down to the HSL sliders. Let's say you make edits here, right? Then you go down to split toning. You add a split tone. Now that you have the look of the photo that you like and you want to save it for future photos, all you have to do is go over here on the left side in the preset section, select this plus icon and create preset. Now you can name it up here, whatever you like. Let's name this SF. Then you can save it in your user presets group where you can find all your presets. And then you can just check the things that you want to save, like treatment and profile, the clarity, split toning, effects, and then select create. Oh, I already had this saved, so you won't get this. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Super easy, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and take it easy, everybody.